Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to get a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFication once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be doing a slime restock video, and I'll be showing you guys the new slimes in my slime shop, and I will also do some slime ASMR. All of these slimes are super duper cool, so you guys should definitely check them out. The whole entire slime shop is 15% off, and it is only for a limited time. So you guys should definitely check out my slime shop. It will be linked down below in the description box. Also, I spend many hours every single day working on my slime shop and making new slimes for you. So you guys should definitely check out my slime shop and maybe buy some. One last thing, I just want to wish you guys a happy holidays, and I hope you guys are just staying safe and doing well. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First up, we have this slime called Falling Wishes. It is a really pretty thick and glossy slime. It is the color cyan or like also teal. It is just really pretty, and it is super thick and glossy. It is topped up with some really cute sprinkles and some pink iridescent glitter, blue iridescent glitter, and some green glitters. So pretty. So I'm going to mix it all together to show you guys. This slime is just so pretty, so thick and glossy. By the way, my slime is like freshly made, so that's why it isn't as glossy as yours will be. Yours will be way glossier than this. You guys, I am just in love with this color. It is so nice. Also, it is so crunchy, pokeable. And you guys, just look at how stretchy this is. I can literally stretch this like to the moon. Oh guys, that bubble was huge. So crunchy. So you guys, if you love thick and glossy slimes, this one is definitely for you. It is really like amazing. This slime is scented with a really delicious like sweet fruity scent. Also, it makes really nice swirls. And I love how, like, when you stretch the slime, inside you can see the really pretty glitters and the sprinkles inside. It adds a really nice touch. So right here we have the It's Sarah slime. It is a slime inspired by my sister's logo. So it is purple, like a light green, and blue. It is topped up with some fine, really pretty glitter and some really cute sprinkles. It looks so pretty, you guys. Since this is the It's Sarah slime, my sister is going to mix the slime all together. You guys, it looks really gorgeous.
Hi guys, it's Sarah. So I'm going to be mixing this all together. And can we just take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous the top looks? Like, look how marble this is. Like, I just love it.
It's so pretty.
It's gorgeous, like absolutely beautiful. So now we're going to mix it in and turn your volume up. Okay guys, so here's the slime after I mix it in. It turned into this really pretty like bluish purple, kind of like an indigo color. And even though it's more on the blue side, it still matches my logo, which I really like. Even though it's a butter slime, it has some really nice bubble pops. Like, slime is just so fun to play with, and it pokes really well. Super smooth and creamy. Like, it's so stretchy. See, it's like already inflating while I'm playing with it. It makes also amazing swirls, and I really love the add-ins because it just gives it like a nice effect into it. Also guys, I want to say this scent of the slime is absolutely amazing. It smells exactly like sweet cotton candy, and I love it. You guys should definitely buy the slime. It's so fun to play with. It smells amazing. The texture is awesome.
This next slime is called Mixed Fruits Jelly. As you can probably tell by the name, it is a jelly slime. It is super clear, thick, and it's just like really like juicy. It is scented just like fruits, and it is a really nice slime. So right here we have a slime called DIY Peanut Butter Cups. So it is like a DIY clay slime, and it comes with like 3 kind of parts. So right here in like the 6 to 7 ounce container, you have like the chocolate part, which is kind of like a butter slime. It isn't directly like meant to be played with, so that's why the texture isn't like the best. But it is like pretty sizzly, stretchy. It's just very like kind of clay heavy. Also, it's not meant to be like filled to the top, since in a separate container you have the peanut butter part. So this represents the chocolate. Then right here is the peanut butter part of the slime. It is a super thick and glossy slime. Guys, look at this. It has amazing texture. It is glossy, thick, pokeable. It's a very nice slime. Then right here we have the fake chocolate kind of like shavings. So, and now let's assemble the slime. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take like the chocolate clay part, butter slime part of the slime. If you want, you can kind of like, I guess, play with it, or I guess like see kind of what it's like. Here I'm just like showing you guys the texture of it. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it back inside, and then essentially what you wanna do is like make a cup. So you're gonna like take your thumb like this and like spread it on the sides so that you kind of get like a cup shape. It's really easy, but it's also like kind of fun to do. So right here is like how I did my chocolate part of the slime. So I kind of like put it all around the sides of the container, and then inside, as you can see, there's like just the clay. So here's how it looks. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna place the peanut butter part of the slime into like the pit we made. Let me just admire this beautiful slime first. And now let's place it in. So I just placed like the peanut butter kind of part in. What I'd recommend doing is saving like a bit of like the brown like butter / clay slime at the end, so I can just go like around and then kind of like give it more of that like chocolate on it. And then in your little baggie comes like the chocolate little shavings. Then you're just gonna like open the baggie and like sprinkle them onto your slime. I totally forgot, but in your baggie it will also come with like some sprinkles inside. So you can like place them on the sides. So it's like a really pretty peanut butter cup. So you can just like place it right here. If you want, you can like decorate this however you want. So this is very like customizable. If you want, you can put like the sprinkles on like in the center. But what I'm doing is I'm just like placing them only on the sides. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks so pretty. Like I literally just want to go eat this because it smells so good. Also, it just looks so good. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. This is going to be so satisfying to mix this all together. So yeah, now let's do it. So now let's mix this beauty all together. I kind of spilled some of like the fake chocolate, but yeah, now let's mix this. It's going to be so satisfying. It's super fun to assemble and mix all together. You guys should definitely get this slime. It is just really, really fun and satisfying to do. Also, once all the colors are mixed all together, you kind of get this almost like coffee chocolate color. Also, this slime smells so good. It smells just like chocolate. And yeah, just every time you kind of like play with the slime or like stretch it, you get whiffs of the scent. And once like the textures are combined, you get like a really nice, dense, thick clay slime. It is very like relaxing and kind of like therapeutic to play with. The slime is excellent for pokes, for stretching, of course for being spreadable. This is like a 6-ounce container, but 6 ounces is like right here, like below like these, like, how do you call it? Below these like 2 lines, 6 ounces is right here. In general, if you ever like buy a slime from me, I like always overfill it. But this slime ends up being like definitely like 7 ounces. Also, when you stretch, you can see the little sprinkles inside. So you guys, I literally can't stop playing with the slime. It's so good. Like, I can stretch this forever. Like, it won't stop stretching. So that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Definitely check out my slime shop. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.